In this video, we're going to learn how to change the background in an Amazon Sumerian scene. So let's get started. Alright, I'm here in my scene, and you'll notice that the background color is this dark gray. If I want to change it to something else, or remove it altogether to be transparent, which is what you would do for an augmented reality or AR scene, you select the top level entity in the entities panel over here. And actually I wanted that. And then you expand the environment component, and under background you expand the background property, and then you can change the color over here to be whatever it is you want. And if you don't want there to be a background, you just reduce the opacity so you get the universal checkered transparent background look. So that's how you would change the background of a scene, and in other tutorials we will look more at skyboxes and sky spheres.